Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have your new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 here. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card properly. Okay, very, very simple. Here's my SIM card here. I just took it out of my old iPhone here. I'm going to be putting it into my new Samsung Galaxy Note 10. First thing is go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool that you got with your Note 10. Any SIM ejection tool will work. If you don't have this laying around, you can use the back of a stud earring that's thin, or a thin bobby pin, even a thin paper clip as well. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look on top of the Note 10 here and see that little hole right here. This is the SIM tray right here. Go ahead and grab the pin, insert it into the hole, and then what you want to do is you want to put a little bit of pressure down, push down until it pops out a little bit like that. Now go ahead and just pull it out just like this. Now if we look at this right here, what I want you to do is have the where the hole is right here, the pinhole, have it on the left side pointing up, okay? And now from here, you can see on the bottom left-hand side, you see that diagonal slant right there? The same thing with the SIM card here, the bottom left-hand side, I have that little slant. So I know it goes in just like this, okay? So go ahead and place it on top there. Make sure you push in. Make sure it's nice and flush. It's not going to fall out when you turn it over, okay? So again, that's what it looks like. You can see where the pin is on the left-hand side on top. Now simply go ahead and grab your phone here, and we want to go ahead and put it back in just like this. And as soon as I pop it in, let's see if it says no network right now. Now it says T-Mobile, which is my SIM card carrier here in the US. And now, so it's up, it found it. If I want to double check, let me go ahead and log in here. And I'll go into my settings here, so we can just slide down here. We can go into settings, then we're going to go to connections, and then from here we're going to go down to where it says mobile networks. Tap on that and you can turn your data roaming on and off if you want. I'll leave mine on. I get free data roaming. Your network mode here, you can see I have it set on LTE, 3G, 2G, auto connect there. You have your network operators. Again, mine is T-Mobile. You can also select automatically. You can search. Anyways, mine found it right away. I'm up and running. And that's pretty much it. Any questions or anything, just comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.